Stop scrolling. Which one of these 3 friends has the smartest way to cross this flooded road? Watch until the end. After a heavy rain, the road was completely covered with water. None of the 3 friends wanted to get their shoes wet. The first guy had a crazy idea. He flipped upside down and started walking across the road on his hands. Everyone stopped to watch. The second friend was already in a wheelchair, but the third friend came up with an even funnier plan. He lifted both of his legs onto the wheelchair so they stayed completely dry, then pushed the wheelchair forward using only his hands while sitting low to the ground. In the end, all 3 made it across without getting their feet wet, and everyone watching couldn't stop laughing at their hilarious and creative solutions. Which one would you choose?